I'm an ex-vegan, but I'm still better than you. Buy my ebook and give me more views. Link in description.
What's up, guys? So we have an awesome story today. So I was actually trolling around YouTube last night and I came across an ex-vegan diss track by Nina and Randa, and I thought that this video was absolutely hilarious. I was gonna work on a different video today, but I had to talk about this because it is freaking hilarious and there is a great story here. Now, before I get into this video, I just want to say that Nina and Randa, I am sorry. I thought I had you girls all wrong. I thought that your channel was like a cookie cutter, easy breezy vids, never really getting controversial, and then bam, you hit us with the diss track, and I gotta say, absolutely surprised, and I love it. Keep it up. In their diss track, they really did not pull any punches, and they were really calling out all the classic stereotypes of the ex-vegan trend that is going around right now.
I love the animals, I love the trees, I love the earth, so you'll love me. La da 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 dee. And that's why we're vegan. Fuck this shit. I think it's time we tell people who we really are. Yeah, I'm sick of this wholesome bullshit.
And on a side note, I just want to say that Nina and Randa have been vegan their whole lives, so all of these videos that are recently popping out saying the vegan diet, you are malnourished, you can't get all of their minerals and nutrients. Well, how are these girls alive then? Please explain that.
Don't believe everything you see online. We've been vegan our whole life and we're doing just fine. Not an ex-vegan and we're not better than you. Do your research and forget the gurus.
And I know there's going to be a lot of people in the comments saying, well, look how thin they are. Well, I gotta say this. There's a huge difference between them and people like Eugenia. These girls post what I eat in a day vids all the time. They are eating tons. And that really is the beauty about going vegan, is that you can get on a lifestyle and have a really slim look, or you can go on a completely different vegan lifestyle and put on a bunch of weight and muscle at the same time.
A booty guide workout from our friend Madison Taylor. Okay, so we're starting out with
warm-ups.
Warm-ups.
So that's what I'll be doing as well. 30.
Yeah.
Okay. What are these called?
Table kickbacks.
So here's my trick. Whatever Randa does, I just do it after. You look ripped. Your butt looks ripped.
So how long were we at the gym for?
An hour and 20 minutes. We feel ace. All right, let's get some lunch.
Let's get back to the diss track that they made because people got mad. People like Bonny Rebecca, Stella Ray, and Kalel. I mean, they were coming out of the woodwork, and this is why this is honestly so funny, is because these girls honestly made this video as a joke, as a blanket statement over the general trend that is going around, and for Stella Ray and for Bonny and for Kalel to actually get mad at the song actually further exposes the
First of all, we just want to say that we made this diss track for fun.
It's supposed to be entertaining, it's supposed to be funny, it's supposed to make you laugh. It's also
comedy.
giving some commentary on what's been going on in the vegan community. Not targeted at one specific person. Some people are guessing, oh, it's about this ex-vegan, it's about this ex-vegan, and it's not. It's supposed to be generic, and it's kind of funny that it can apply to so many different people, and that's part of the joke. One of the people that inspired this video contacted us and thought this entire video was about her. She was extremely angry, extremely pissed, said some whatever, we don't have to go into detail what she said, not nice things. What if we made a diss track to ex-vegans, like ex-vegans that were like, I'm more vegan than you, and then it's like they're not vegan. It's like, that's freaking funny to me.
To actually get mad about this song, it would actually expose them further as being these people, because if this video rubs you the wrong way, it's because a lot of their points are actually conflicting with how you are.
Buy my book and give me more views. Link in description. As I say, but not as I do. As I say, but not as I do. Buy my jewelry, it's a cute little V. I don't really give a f, I just want your money. I'm so woke and you don't have a clue. Let's take a picture with this cow, that'll make me look nice. Oh my god, check this out, it got 40,000 likes.
This video was actually only aimed at people who capitalized on veganism as a trend to further their brand, to bring in some more cash. And there were a lot of channels who kept saying they were vegan, but we're actually cheating the whole time. I mean, this is pretty bad here, guys. I remember at the time that all of these channels went vegan, I remember I was so happy. I'm like, yes, these people are going vegan. They have tons of followers. They are really going to influence them to help making better choices in their lives. I did not think of the blowback of them switching back, and now they're getting all their followers to freaking switch back. I mean, it really is a mess here, and I'm glad that Nina and Randa addressed it. I really think the most frustrating part about this whole thing is that many of these channels and people in general who try vegan as a diet, you know, they are going on these cleanses and these raw fruits and these raw vegetable diets, and let me tell you, those are not sustainable long term. And I really feel like the people that have went vegan for like a couple of months, 6 months, or maybe in a year, and have switched back.
Oh no, let's hit the natural path. I know what's gonna help a 60-day fast. Let's only eat fruit and not brush our teeth. Lose my period and then blame the veggies.
I really feel like these people are not giving the lifestyle a fair shot. I mean, there is so much variety. I mean, I've been vegan now for 7 or 8 years. I can't even remember how long, but I can lose weight, I can gain weight. There's so much variety, from like the processed vegan foods to the whole foods to the raw foods. I mean, there is everything you could possibly need. The only supplement I take is a freaking B12 pill like every other day or every 3 days, and I buy that at the pharmacy, and a B12 deficiency is very common for people on the standard American diet. A lot of bodybuilders take freaking B12 and they eat more meat than anybody, so actually you can get all of your vitamins and minerals from the plants. You just have to find the right variety.
Is ready. We've been all over the kitchen today with different recipes, but this is all now finished. Let's check it out. We gotta mix it up a little bit. Most of the time we have leftovers and we keep them in the fridge, and they get even thicker, the lentils, and it tastes even better than ever.
You have to understand how your body works and how your body reacts to the foods. There's like high carb, low fat, high fat, low carb. You can do a mixture of the two, and there's so many great vegan foods. I remember at the time that all of these channels went vegan, I remember I was so happy. I'm like, yes, these people are going vegan. They have tons of followers. They are really going to influence them to help making better choices in their lives. I did not think of the blowback of them switching back, and now they're getting all their followers to freaking switch back. I mean, it really is a mess here, and I'm glad that Nina and Randa addressed it. I really feel like at the end of the day, if anybody is really getting offended by their diss track, really has to just take a look at themselves. This was obviously made out of comedy, and you know what, I'm just really glad to actually see them take a stand and really address this why I'm no longer vegan trend is going around. And you know what, just good stuff, Nina and Randa. I wish y'all the best, and I will be looking forward to your videos in the future.
Eat fish for my gut and to be healthy. Just don't remind me of the plastic and the mercury. I'm an ex-vegan, but I'm still better than you.
Also noticed that some people will come out as like ex-vegans, but they haven't been vegan for like 6 months, or they haven't been vegan for a year, and they've been like keeping up this image of what I eat in a day, is like acting as if they're still vegan, going like being flown to Veg Fest, and doing like different like vegan things, having vegan jewelry line, having vegan merch, and then they're just like kind of like lying to their audience. There is some element of truth that can apply to a bunch of people. Again, it's not about just one person, but I do think it's funny that a lot of people think it's one specific person. Parasites, 60-day fast, all fruit cleanse.
Parasite, oh no, let's hit the natural path.
This is what's out there in vegan YouTube. Drinking your own piss, cleanses, parasites, naturopath, medical medium tell people to eat fish or liver extract, whatever thing that makes people decide they need to do something crazy for their health. So none of this is about you so far. I think this person's literally, I don't think they've ever only eaten fruit, and I don't think they've ever stopped brushing their teeth.
Or done a 60-day
Or
fast.
done a 60-day fast. I think a lot of people do kind of fall into this like guru, oh, this is like the healthiest thing, and it leads people down a bad path. So, well, it's just like going extreme. I think some people just have the personality to take things